everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. Today's episode is all about office life, how people really talk at work, what they say during meetings, coffee breaks, and even after work.
That's right. If you want to sound more natural and confident in your job, this story will help you. You'll hear real English that people actually use every day. Not textbook English, but living English. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's start our day at work together.
Good morning. You're in early again.
Yeah, I woke up before my alarm today. Figured I might as well come in and get a head start.
That's impressive. I'm still half asleep. I stayed up late finishing my presentation.
Oh no, the big one for the client meeting?
Yeah, I kept changing the slides. You know how it is. You always think you can make it better.
Classic perfectionist move, but I get it. Sometimes you just want everything to look perfect before showing it to the boss.
Exactly. Anyway, how was your weekend? Did you finally visit your family?
I did. It was so nice to disconnect for a bit. My mom cooked way too much food, though.
That sounds amazing. I wish I had that kind of weekend. Mine was mostly just cleaning and emails.
You checked work emails on the weekend? That's not healthy.
I know. I'm trying to stop, but sometimes I get anxious if I see the notification.
I get it. But remember, work-life balance, right? You can't pour from an empty cup.
True. I'll try to switch off this weekend. Promise.
So, what's on your to-do list today?
Let's see. Check emails, update the project report, finish the marketing draft, and join the 10:30 meeting. You?
I've got two meetings, one with the design team and one with finance. Then I need to write the progress summary before lunch.
Busy day ahead. Oh, and the boss wants us to send the updated document by 3 p.m. today.
3 p.m.? That's tight. Okay, let's make sure we divide the tasks smartly.
Agreed. You handled the data, and I'll write the main content.
Perfect. By the way, have you noticed how calm the office feels in the morning?
Yeah, it's the best time to focus, before the noise and meetings start.
Coffee break?
Absolutely. Coffee is the most important part of my productivity.
Same here. Sometimes I think coffee should be part of the job description.
Totally agree. So, how do you usually handle stress when work piles up?
Hmm. I make short to-do lists. I write down only 3 tasks, the top 3 priorities. If I finish them, I feel successful.
That's smart. I often write 10 things and end up finishing 2.
We've all been there. Less is more sometimes.
You're right. Oh, did you hear? The HR team is planning a team building trip next month.
Really? That sounds fun. Where are we going?
They haven't decided yet. Maybe a beach resort or a countryside retreat.
Either one sounds great. We could all use a little break after this busy quarter.
Yeah, it's nice when companies care about mental health and balance.
Oh, the boss just messaged. He said, meeting moved to 11 a.m.
Perfect. More time to prepare. I still need to polish a few slides.
Want me to review them with you?
That'd be great. Sometimes a second pair of eyes helps.
Slide 3 looks a bit text-heavy. Maybe replace that paragraph with bullet points.
You're right. Simpler looks cleaner. How about now?
Much better. Oh, and maybe add a picture of the product in action. Visuals help people stay focused.
Done. Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime. That's what teamwork's for.
That meeting went smoother than I expected.
Yeah, I liked how the boss said, good collaboration today. That felt nice.
It really did. It's amazing how a few kind words can change your whole day.
True. Appreciation is powerful. It motivates people to do even better.
Speaking of which, I think we should do that more with our teammates too.
I agree. Saying things like, nice job, or thanks for helping, can make such a difference.
Definitely. Okay, It's almost lunchtime. Want to grab food?
Sure. There's that new Thai restaurant nearby. Heard it's good.
Let's go then. I'm starving. Wow, this place smells amazing.
Yeah, and look, they have lunch sets with soup and dessert. Perfect for a busy workday.
What are you getting?
Maybe the chicken curry. You?
Stir-fried noodles, my comfort food.
I like how we talk about work even during lunch.
True, but that's normal when you enjoy your job.
Good point. Still, I think after lunch, I'll take a 5-minute walk outside before going back.
Great idea. Fresh air always helps reset your mind. Okay, back to business. How's your report coming along?
Almost done. Just checking grammar before sending. I always double check before hitting send.
Same. Once I sent an email to the wrong client. It was so embarrassing.
Oh no, what did you do?
I quickly replied saying, "Sorry, that message was sent by mistake." Then I laughed about it later.
Good recovery. Everyone makes small mistakes. What matters is how we fix them.
Exactly. Learning from mistakes is also part of improving your English at work.
True. Even native speakers make typos or grammar errors sometimes.
Yep. The key is communication. As long as your message is clear, you're doing great.
It's almost 5 p.m. already. Today went fast.
Yeah, but it was productive. We handled everything on time.
That's the best feeling, finishing the day with no stress.
Totally. I might hit the gym after work. What about you?
I'm meeting a friend for dinner. I think I earned a nice meal tonight.
You definitely did. Hey, thanks again for your help today.
Anytime. We make a good team.
Couldn't agree more. See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a great evening.
Today, you learned how to use English naturally at work, in meetings, emails, and everyday conversations.
Try using phrases like, please find attached, keep up the good work, and let's divide the tasks. These small expressions make you sound professional and friendly.
And remember, confidence comes from practice. Listen again, repeat, and use these sentences in your daily life.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real English stories.
Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English with confidence.
See you in the next episode, right here on English Talk Time.